Adding services to invoices. TaxDome allows you to easily add and modify services to your invoices so that you won't waste time and effort to create an invoice. Click the new button at the top right corner and select Invoice. Then choose the client for whom this invoice is for. Fill out the general aspects of the invoices. You can also use templates to do this for you. We have other videos on the subject. Go to the line item section where you will add the services. Choose from the list of services that you have already pre-made. We will go over that in a bit. You can also create a new service from scratch by pressing here. Write the name, description, rate, and quantity. Choose if you want it to be taxed by turning this toggle on. Let's suppose that we are doing the payroll for 8 people, so we can modify it here. You can also change the rate and the tax rate. For this example, let's change our payroll per employee to $15 and the tax rate to 8%. The line item section may include info that you don't need. If you don't want service date, description, tax, rate, or quantity to be displayed in the invoice for your client, you can hide any column. These adjustments apply to the current invoice or template. Check the total to see if there are any problems. Finally, click on Create. Now let's discuss the pre-made services. To see them, go to Templates and select Services. Here are all the services and discounts you already have, including the one you just made. You can create a new one from this menu, which works exactly like the one we just saw, but you can also import them from our library or from QuickBooks to modify any of those you already have. Click the 3 dots at the right side of the item and press Edit. For this example, choose a different category. When editing a service, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Update Templates. Selecting this ensures that any changes made will reflect in all existing invoice, recurring invoice, and proposal templates that use this service. If you leave it unchecked, the changes will only apply to new templates with this service created thereafter. Press Save after you've done. You can also find invoices for specific services. To do that, go to the Invoices page under the Billing section. Once here, press the Filter button on the Services line. Select the service you are looking for in the drop-down menu and click Apply. All the invoices done with that service will show up here.